Hello friends, you are watching Every Biography. Today we are going to tell you the lifestyle and biography of the most famous South Korean actor. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video. First of all, we tell about profile. His birth name is Yoo Seung. Nickname Yoo Seung. Profession. He is actor and model by profession. Birthplace Incheon, South Korea. Date of birth 26 September 1986 and he is currently 33 years old. His zodiac sign is Leo. Nationality he is South Korean. Height 69 inches. Weight 170 pounds. Eye color dark brown. Hair color is also dark brown. Ethnicity Asian. Blood group B positive. Agent BS Company. Years active 1999 and he is still working. Now let's talk about some hobbies. He loved traveling. He also loved book reading. He also loved gymming and outing. Let's talk about some social media facts. He has 230,000 followers on Instagram. Marital status unmarried. Girlfriend affair he is still single. He has $2 million of net worth. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, then give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video and share as much as you can. We will meet you in next video.